It's early morning here in Nha Trang and we're just on our way to go grab our bikes. We're heading on a 2-day ride down to Dalat. But instead of riding along the coast, we're actually going to make more of a horseshoe and hit up some of the mountains. And tonight we'll be drinking, partying, meeting some of the locals, and then hitting the road again tomorrow. So we just are arriving at our bike place. First we're going to pick out our bikes, hopefully get some protective wear, which I would highly recommend, even though I'll be on a scooter which is only 125cc. When I'm riding, I feel like I'm Superman on a super bike going 200 kilometers an hour, and then I look to my left and there's a family of 3 on one bike passing me going 40. We hit the road and my tank ran out of gas about 2 minutes in, so we're just stopping by the road to do a little siphoning. He's gonna pour it in right now and we'll get going. Those are our guides here. They're awesome guys. What do you want to say?
Don't be lazy, be fucking crazy, man.
You heard it here first. We just stopped by the road to grab some seafood for barbecuing tonight.
Where's barbecue? Seafood barbecue, show them.
Right, oh, they see it.
Yeah.
We just stopped on the side of the road where they're in the middle of harvesting sugar cane, so we are sampling some right off the street. Really sweet in both ways.
Along the way, you know, some local shop, they have the machine, they just put this one in, and then the machine will squeeze, you know, like the sugar can, all the juice comes out, they put in the cup. It's good. So for sugar cane, they have only once a year, you know, especially when we finish, we will one piece of sugar cane like that. Falling down. All right.
After Brazil, Vietnam's the second largest supplier of coffee in the world, even before Colombia, which is third. Unfortunately, we missed prime time, so the coffee beans have already been harvested. So what we're seeing now instead is really the young flowers that are starting to grow and produce more coffee beans. This goes back really far. There are probably hundreds, if not thousands,
Hello.
of coffee trees here. Here we have the coffee beans drying in the sun. So they're gonna sit like this for about 3 weeks. And then after that, they will peel them, so take off the outer layer. And then you can see that over here, and they'll use that for like fertilizer and gardening. And then after they're peeled, they will roast them. Kind of cool to see this process. I've been drinking a lot of Vietnamese coffee since I've been here because it's so good. We've been so lucky today to see all these different types of plants and trees that they're harvesting here in Vietnam. Right now I'm standing right in the middle of a pepper field or a pepper plantation or a pepper farm. I don't know what you want to call it. So fun pepper fact that I just learned is that all pepper grows from the same plants. When they get ripe and they fall on the ground, the farmers will pick them up, clean them off, and they'll peel the skin, and that becomes the white pepper. And then black pepper is when they'll pick it actually from the tree and they'll dry it in the sun. cool is that? Not every day you see a bunch of cows walking down the street. We're finally here. Day one is over. Well, not quite over. We just settled into our longhouse and then we're gonna head over and grab some dinner. I've been carrying that bag of seafood all day.
Oh, they're still alive. Good.
That's good.
Chị Hạnh mà đi ngày mấy bạn? Chưa. Còn năm mới mở này mà chín á. Yo. Yeah, just yo.
That's easy.
But I hope you guys will remember us. We keep in touch by Facebook forever.
Pulled into Dalat during rush hour. It's a crazy transition. We were going comfortably down the mountain 1 minute, and then the next second we're in the heart of Dalat. Cars are everywhere, bikes are everywhere, people are walking across the street. It was very challenging. I'm so relieved to be off my bike, but so happy I experienced that 2-day ride. I'd definitely do it again.